So there's been an update to KODI 21.2 Omega has now been released. So we've been on 21.1 for quite a while, depending when you're watching this video. 21.2 is now out, and I'm going to show you how you can install it on your Fire TV device or Firestick, whether it's updating or installing as fresh. We're going to show you how we get that done. The process is very similar on whichever device you're using. Really, it's very simple. There's been a few changes. There's been a few updates, but it's all some for Windows, some for Android, some for Fire TV, Fire Sticks. So I'll link the changelog, this details underneath. And underneath also, I will link in the description and the comments the best free KODI build and how to add it onto it as well. Okay, so that's the video I've done previously, and you will love that video as well. So now, before we get cracking, do remember to hit that follow button, hit that subscribe button, and let's just get it installed. So, first thing you will do on your Fire TV device, you will need an application called Downloader. So you go to your magnifying glass, search in your store, and you're going to search Downloader, D-O-W, Downloader. You're going to click that, and you're going to click it to install it. Okay. This is a web browser for anybody who doesn't know. Pretty much a web browser which allows you to download onto your device. That's why it's called Downloader. Once you've installed it, don't open it yet. You're going to push the home button, and you're going to go across to your settings on your device. Okay. Once in your settings, you're going to go to My Fire TV, and you've got developer options. Okay. You need to go into developer options. If you don't have developer options, you click on where it says About, and you click the top selection 7 or 8 times. Mine's Fire TV Stick 4K Max. Yours will be whatever device you're on. From there, you go back one and then get into developer options. Turn ADB debugging on if you have it, and install unknown apps. You turn it on for Downloader. If you've got an older Fire TV device, you might just have a yes/no. Just turn it to yes for installing apps. Perfect. That's the hardest part, really. That's the hardest part of installing it. Now, we need to find that Downloader app we've just installed. So back on your home screen, go across to the 3 squares and the plus, where your applications will be. Go down to My Apps. And within here, you will find an app called Downloader. It looks like this. So search through. Yours is probably at the bottom if you've just installed it for the first time. And once you find it, click on it. And it's very important as you open it up, you accept whatever pops up. So if it pops up saying we need access to your files and your media, that is because it's going to download. And to be able to download into your storage, it needs access to those files. Perfect. Now you're going to type in here, it's a real simple 75726. That goes to my website. So it's you either write 75726 or docsquiffy.com/downloads. Both those are linked underneath in the description and the pinned comment as well for you. That will now load my page. While it's loading, it's a prime time for you to give me a comment. Hit that thumbs up, hit that follow button. Brilliant. Now it's loaded. My page is quite simple to use. Just scroll down. Currently the KODI updates are at the top of the page. Under new updates. If you're not seeing them there because you're watching this video at a later time, just go down to where it says media players, and you can click on the 32-bit version if you're on a Fire Stick. KODI 21.2 Fire Stick. If any adverts pop up, we can just click close. And it's as simple as a massive download button. You can't miss it. You click that, and that will install onto your device. While you're installing, obviously, I'm sure you've all got your VPN turned on. If you are after a VPN, obviously there's one linked underneath as well. Right, while that's installing for us, the next step, we will just literally click install. This is the download part. Okay, so from here we just click install. That will install quickly. Once it's installed, you click done. Then you click delete. Do you really want to delete it? Yes, we want to delete it, and that's gone. Perfect. Now you've got to find what you just downloaded. So in the 3 squares and the plus, under My Apps, you'll be able to find your KODI. Some are showing up at the minute, like mine. It's struggling for an icon at the moment. You may have the similar issue, whether I have or not. Some do, some don't. So let me know in the comments if you do. It will then load for the first time, and as you'll see, it will be called, there we go, version 21.2 Omega. Accept again any permissions if it comes up. I'm not going to open it up because it has got a build on it. If you are interested in putting a build on, like I said, there is a video linked underneath for you as well in the description and the pinned comment. If you are going to be doing anything online, I would recommend using yourself a VPN. We will link that underneath. That does help keep you safe. We are partnered with them, so we do mention it at the end of every video. And there we go. All my other videos are there for you to check out. Go and have a look. Have a look through. We've got normal videos. We've got quick videos. We've got the lot. And we will keep you up to date on all platforms. Brilliant. I've been Doc Squiffy. Thank you all for watching. Hit that follow button. Hit subscribe. And I'll see you soon.